What's up guys, Sal here. So I've been using the iPhone 14 Pro Max ever since it was released to the general public, and honestly I like it so far. I'll make a dedicated review video after a thorough use to show what I like and dislike about the phone, but just because everything is fine with my phone doesn't mean it's the same with everyone else's. Users of the iPhone 14 Pro lineup around the world are experiencing several bugs and issues with the handset. The one that had a lot of users worried is the camera. You see, the main camera of the iPhone 14 Pro and Max vibrates and rattles uncontrollably when the camera app is opened in apps such as Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram, resulting in shaky video.
What? Are you kidding me? Wait, can we actually see it shaking?
Now, this happens only while using third-party apps rather than Apple's own camera app. No one knows for sure the underlying cause of the issue, but it seems these apps aren't playing nicely with the optical misstabilization of the phone, thus causing the vibration. Users who are affected by this problem are hoping for the best case scenario, which was that the issue was software related and could be fixed by simply pushing out an update. And that is exactly the case. It is a software issue and doesn't need repair. Apple officially said they would issue a firmware update next week to fix the issue. But to be honest, for a device that starts at $1,100 in the US and costs an arm and leg in the rest part of the world, this problem shouldn't exist in the first place. But hey, glad that Apple didn't say you're using the camera app wrong. Next is the always on display. Some users are reporting that their battery life has gotten significantly worse when the always on display is on, and it got better when they turned it off. To be honest, I didn't experience that on my phone. Yes, it does consume more battery, but it's on par with my S22 Ultra, but nothing too crazy. Contrary to what many Apple users are saying, I like the always on display on the 14 Pro Max compared to the one on the S22 Ultra because of the fact that it's different and shows notifications much better. To see a speed test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the S22 Ultra, click here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.